Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a pair of pliers. Additionally, you may want to have a small container nearby to keep your screws organized. Step 1. Unplug your Dyson SV17 from the power source. Safety is paramount, so make sure the vacuum cleaner is completely powered off before proceeding. Step 2. Remove the bin from the vacuum. Press the bin release button and detach it from the main unit. This will give you better access to the motor area. Step 3. Using your Phillips screwdriver, locate and remove the screws that secure the top cover of the vacuum cleaner. Be careful not to lose any screws, as they are essential for reassembly. If you need assistance, we offer professional diagnosis without obligation to ensure you're on the right track. Step 4. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the top cover off. You may need to maneuver it a bit to detach it from the clips. Take a moment to clean any dust or debris from the internal components while you have access. A clean environment is crucial for optimal performance. Step 5. Now, locate the motor. You should see it attached to the base of the vacuum. To disconnect it, look for the wiring that connects the motor to the main circuit board. Carefully unplug these connectors by gently pulling them out. If you're unsure about handling the wiring, remember we provide pickup and delivery at your home for your convenience. Step 6. Next, you will need to remove the screws holding the motor in place. Use your Phillips screwdriver for this task. Once all screws are removed, carefully lift the motor out of the housing. If it's stuck, gently wiggle it to free it. Step 7. Take your new motor and position it in the same place as the old one. Secure it with the screws you previously removed. Make sure it's tightly fitted to avoid any vibrations during operation. Step 8. Reconnect the wiring to the new motor. Be sure to match the colors correctly, ensuring a secure connection. If you feel unsure about this step, you can always reach out for our quote before repair service to get expert help. Step 9. Replace the top cover of the vacuum cleaner and secure it with the screws you took out earlier. Again, be careful not to over-tighten them, as this may damage the plastic. Step 10. Finally, reattach the bin by sliding it back into place until you hear a click. Now, plug your Dyson SV17 back in and give it a test run. You should notice a significant improvement in suction performance. If you encounter any issues during the process, remember that we're here to help with no calls, no travel needed. Just reach out for assistance. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.